Check it out, party people. Here's my window at work. It's like 4:30 p.m. We're supposed to get some storms due to humidity, or at least the temperature went up. It's like 100 and something degrees with the humidity. Look at these clouds. It's gonna do something. You can see it. Look at these bad areas. It's unbelievable. It just started clouding up. See, there's some digital blue skies over here. Some over here. There's some big puffy clouds. There's these clouds, these storm clouds. Whatever you want to call them. Creepy clouds is what I call them.